Okay boys, we're going to look at a little bit of leg spin and off spin bowling. So I'll start off with a leg spin bowl. So typical bowl, got the seam there, the grip, two up, these two fingers up, two down, next two down, okay? So I spread these two fingers across the seam and that knuckle is on the ball there, okay? You can either have your thumb on the ball or off, okay? It depends on the size of your hands really, which one you prefer. So a leg spin ball is the one that's going to come out the front of the hand and rotating anti-clockwise. Okay, so as I bowl the ball, I'm going to move my hand across the side. So from my right hand side to the left. So with the wrist will be caught. Okay, so meaning I can impart that spin in the ball when I bowl it. So it should land on the leg stump and spin this way. Okay, so it's just rotating there. So as I bowl, I probably bowl with a little bit more round arm because I want it to move that way to try to generate some spin. So I'll try to bowl a ball and hopefully get a little bit of spin. So as you see, that one bounced, was a little bit wide, bounced and then moved away to there. So I'd like you to try to bowl that one. Where's the practice? Or, you know, so remember, two up, two down, spread the hand, is just basically getting the ball and giving it a rip. Okay, so you're just trying to generate that spin in the ball. So that's a little tip for you. Off spin, I'm not a big turner of the ball in off spin, but for the off spin, those two fingers, seam of the ball, those two fingers are spread and I rest my thumb in next to the ball there. Okay, so you can do this with a tennis ball or anything. And the off spin will pitch off stump and turn this way. Okay, so the opposite, it's going to turn the other way. So as I bowl, I'm going to turn, just move the camera, I'm going to turn my hand that way. So I'm going to cut underneath. And the last part of the ball probably is going to be my index finger that's going to impart a side spin on the ball. Okay, this one might kick straight through because I'm not a big turner of the off spin. So the other thing to look at in the off spin is as I bowl, pivot on that front foot because I'm trying to generate as much undercut almost on the ball to give it some spin. So I'll give that one a go. As you see, that one pitched a little bit leg side, so you better batsman would have scored some runs, but I was just trying to get as much spin as possible. So try to bowl those and generate some spin. Unfortunately, that's the length that I've got at the minute. It's a little bit short for me, but it's a good opportunity to just work on a ball that you can get a maximum spin. Give that a little go and post me some of your videos.